Hey everyone, welcome to the Curiosity Channel. Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok and uncovering 7 proven ways you can start making money on the platform. Whether you're a beginner or you've already posted a few TikToks, these strategies can help you turn your TikTok account into a money-making machine. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the TikTok Creator Fund. It's free money for creating content that people love. Requirements: be at least 18, have 10,000 followers, and 100,000 video views in the past 30 days. Once you're in, TikTok pays you based on views and engagement. It's a great way to start monetizing your TikTok presence. The exact amount varies, but consistent, high-quality content can lead to hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. If you meet the requirements, go for it. Next up, partnering with brands for sponsorship deals. Let's talk about brand partnerships. This is where you can really start raking in the dough on TikTok. As your account gains traction, brands will start knocking on your virtual door. Find your niche and create high-quality content within that specific area. With at least 10,000 followers, start reaching out to brands or join influencer platforms like AspireIQ or Upfluence. Always disclose your partnerships to your audience using hashtags like #ad or #sponsored. Choose brands that align with your values and audience's interests. Authenticity is key. Your followers can tell when you're genuinely excited about a product. Be selective, be authentic, and watch those brand deals start pouring in. Next, let's talk about selling your own products or services. This is where you can turn your TikTok fame into a full-blown business. Turn your TikTok fame into a business by selling your own products or services. You've got a captive audience that loves your content and trusts your recommendations. Sell anything from art prints to handmade jewelry, or offer personalized workout plans. TikTok's shopping features let you link products directly in your videos and bio. Even digital products like ebooks or online courses can be sold. Create engaging content that showcases your products in action. Let your personality shine and show why your products are awesome. Start brainstorming those product ideas because your TikTok empire awaits. Ready to level up your TikTok game? Let's talk about TikTok Live. It's a real-time connection with your followers where they can send you virtual gifts. These virtual gifts can be converted into real cash. You need at least 1,000 followers to unlock this feature. Create engaging and interactive live streams to keep viewers entertained. Promote your live streams in advance to get more viewers. The more engaging your live stream, the more likely viewers will send virtual gifts. Make it a good show and watch the cash roll in. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting products you love. Join an affiliate program, find products you love, and share them with your TikTok followers using a special affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Popular programs include Amazon Associates and Share a Sale. Create engaging TikTok content like product reviews or tutorials. Make it authentic and relatable. Include your affiliate link in your bio and mention it in your videos. Transparency is key. Always let your followers know you're using affiliate links. Monetize your expertise by offering coaching or consulting services. If you've established yourself as an authority in your niche, this could be your ticket to TikTok riches. Offer personalized guidance and support to those who want to learn from the best. Identify your area of expertise and create content that showcases your knowledge. Share valuable tips and actionable advice. Promote your coaching or consulting services using TikTok's link in bio feature. People are always looking for guidance and support. Position yourself as the go-to expert in your niche and watch the clients roll in. Dive into the world of digital products for passive income. Digital products can be anything from ebooks to online courses. They require no inventory, no shipping costs, and the profit margins are sky high. Create something valuable that solves a specific problem for your audience. Think about your niche and what your followers need. Create high-quality content that showcases the value of your product. Promote your digital products like crazy using links in your bio and special promotions. Earn passive income while you sleep. And there you have it. 7 proven ways to make money on TikTok. Stay consistent and authentic, and keep creating content that people love. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.